Tropical storm Barry still on the move and potentially headed toward the Louisiana coast. But weather experts say this will bring rain to South Mississippi.
Forest County's emergency management urges residents to brace for heavy rainfall. Now, according to emergency management, the storm will hit land Saturday morning. With storm's current spin, rain will be sent to the east, bring a threat of flash floods probably our way.
Over the next few days is a moderate risk for rainfall and flash flooding, maybe 2 to 6 inches. It just depends on where that final landfall is made. A flash flood watch is going to be in effect from 7 a.m. Saturday morning through 7 p.m. Sunday evening. We have a limited threat of tropical storm force winds. That's winds that reach between 39 and 57 miles per hour, but that's just a limited threat.
Emergency management also mentioned the Pine Belt could see a few pop-up tornadoes as well. It sounds strange, but it is very, very common.
Our weather expert here with us now, also tracking this development.
Yeah, we're watching it. Tornadoes, as Mark said, are not uncommon with hurricanes because there is so much spin associated with them. This is Barry currently, again, off the coast, a little disorganized right now. That is the good news. It's being stunted by some dry air moving into the northern half of it. But we're still watching it closely because that dry air will start to get mixed out of it and it'll start to get a little bit more organized. Here is the current cone of uncertainty, as we call it. Again, has making landfall probably around midday Saturday or so, maybe a little bit earlier on in the morning. When we start to see some of those outer rain bands, really, we don't see the heavier rain bands. They're just barely showing up on radar down to our south. But I don't want you to focus on this because the main threat with this for us is going to be flash flooding. That's what people often underlook with hurricanes or tropical storms or any tropical system is, okay, well, it's not going to hit me. I'm not going to experience those winds of hurricane force. Yes, but weather, what we call the hydrological aspect of it, affects a lot more people. And unfortunately, that does include us here in Hattiesburg. We're talking about anywhere between 3, 5, even 7 inches of rain. We could have some heavier amounts than that. A lot is going to change over the next 24 hours. We'll be keeping our eye on it, and we'll talk more about Barry coming up in just a few minutes.